candidate ninyo is former Marine. Kirby.
Yeah, this guy is a hero. No? He's a Medal of Valor awardee. He fought the Muslim secessionists. He almost lost his life. He risked his life for the integrity of for the Republic, territorial integrity, because he was fighting secessionists. Nothing against him in terms of corruption or anything. We know him as a man of integrity, and also he's competent. He's a PMA graduate. He's competent in terms of national security, and of course his loyalty to the Republic cannot be questioned. He laid his life several times for the Republic.
Justice, yung mga nilista niyo pong criteria na ginamit ninyo at ng isang bayan for endorsing these candidates, sa mga nakakausap ko, pati sa mga tao